Hi, everyone. My name is Sarah Da Silva, and welcome to my presentation, My Community in Words and Pictures. I will be presenting on Lansdowne, Pennsylvania. So Lansdowne, Pennsylvania is a suburb of Philadelphia that's located just 6 miles southwest of the city. In 2017, the population was about 10,646 residents. The median household income is just over $54,000 a year, with 11.6% of residents living in poverty. And these statistics were found from the United States Census Bureau. The demographics of Lansdowne are as follows. It is 53.7% female and 46.3% male. It is just a little more than half of the residents identify as Black, followed by white, 5% Asian, 4.1% Hispanic, 2.2% of residents identify as two or more races, and 0.7% identify as other, 0.2% as American Indian, and 0.2% as Native Hawaiian or Pacific Islander. And on the right, you can see a pie chart of a visual representation of the various races represented within Lansdowne. The mean resident age within Lansdowne is 39.3 years old. 93.4% of the residents have obtained a high school diploma or higher. And there are 1,100 companies and business owners that reside within Lansdowne. Now, this does not necessarily mean that all those business owners have companies in Lansdowne, obviously, but it just goes to show that there is a decent amount of entrepreneurs and business owners within the community. Some of the important institutions within Lansdowne are listed here. Now, it is a pretty small community, but there's definitely a decent amount of formal institutions as well as informal institutions. So on the left, I've listed some of the formal institutions that are also major employers. So we have Aldi, which is like a grocery store, Walgreens and CVS, Dollar Tree, Meals on Wheels, Today's Child, which is a daycare, childcare center, and there's I believe it's a chain, so there's several locations. TD Bank, Wells Fargo Bank, and Wawa. So those are like the major ones listed there. And some of the neighborhood groups listed here on the right are the Lansdowne Allied Youth Council. So this group actually provides funding and grants for youth to apply for if they have like a social project or a civic project, athletic scholarships, things like that. Delaware County, which is the county that Lansdowne is located in. So there's a Delaware County Suicide Prevention Task Force. There's also been talk of a Delaware County opiate overdose prevention committee as well. I guess having a chapter in Lansdowne, as that is something that is that the area is being increasingly affected by There's a Gays, Lesbians, and Friends of Lansdowne Social Club, the Friendship Circle Senior Center, Lansdowne Economic Development Corporation. They do a lot to form partnerships and alliances with various businesses within Lansdowne and just, right outside of Lansdowne. They also do a lot, they've done a lot to renovate the small downtown area of Lansdowne, and kind of renovate various historical sites and create more public spaces that are family friendly for people in the community to use. Lansdowne Human Relations Commission, the Lansdowne Business and Professional Association, which is a group of business owners that have businesses both inside and out of Lansdowne, and they get together to network, like I think maybe 4 times a year. And the Lansdowne Neighborhood Watch. So some more informal institutions. There are multiple churches within Lansdowne. There are 5 churches, Christian churches. There's also a Buddhist temple located in the neighboring community of East Lansdowne. And there's a Quaker Meeting House, Penwood High School, Ardmore Elementary School. There is a public library. There are multiple parks and multiple restaurants. Here we have a map of Lansdowne. You can see in the lower right or left-hand corner, and the surrounding communities. So you can see where Philadelphia is in proximity. There's East Lansdowne, Yeadon, Darby, and Clifton Heights. And here we have the exact streets and the cutoff point. So we have you can see here Philadelphia is in the lower right corner, and then all the surrounding streets and blocks within Lansdowne. So this is a picture of a small portion of the little downtown strip of Lansdowne. And here you can see the sign for the Icery, which is a ice cream and gelato business that's pretty popular. This is Lansdowne Landing, and this was designed and opened in 2017. The Lansdowne Economic Development Corporation played a huge role in this in collaboration with an arts initiative, Lansdowne Arts. So here there's a farmers market that is held here during the summer months and up until October. And this space is kind of designated during those times for children and families to hang out in. There's often free public concerts held here, and movie screenings. And when there's not an event, there is just an open space for people to hang out and, just enjoy themselves in. So this has been really popular since its opening. This is the Lansdowne train station, which takes you to and from Philadelphia and to other suburbs west of Philadelphia. So a lot of people commute that live in Lansdowne if they work in Philadelphia, or even in New Jersey, because the train does go all the way to Trenton, New Jersey. So this is a big hub for people, and the train system is very widely used. This is a picture of the historic Lansdowne Theater. which was built in 1927, and it was closed for a very long time, and it's been recently renovated. There's some storefront spaces on the first level, and I believe the rest of the building is mainly used as office space. Is Lansdowne a good community? So as you've all read in the article, the Ohio State University states that there are 9 key elements of a good community. And I have been able to see these 9 key elements within Lansdowne. So Lansdowne does offer residents a safe place to live. The crime rate is fairly low for violent crimes especially. Although there has been a slight increase as more people are moving from being forced out almost by gentrification that's happening in Philadelphia. They are tend to move out to the suburbs, including Lansdowne. So there has been a slight increase in nonviolent crimes like burglary, robberies, theft, things like that. But it's still, compared to other areas, the crime rate is relatively low. There's clean water. There's many civic engagement groups, neighborhood watch. There's reliable transportation. And there's also within Lansdowne, there's Lansdowne Police, Lansdowne Fire, and in the immediate neighborhood, the next neighborhood over, there is a major hospital as well. Lansdowne offers access to those goods and services necessary to sustain residents. There are opportunities to have all needs met and to access goods and services that people need to live a acceptable life. Lansdowne definitely meets the criteria of having relationships of the character that bind people together. Lansdowne is definitely a community where people feel comfortable to have their voices heard and to organize themselves and to fight for causes that they find important. Lansdowne is a place where the day-to-day relationships among residents are highly predictable. Lansdowne is small in that it's a tight-knit community, but it's nice that it's not everyone is in each other's business. So it's large enough to, if you want to remain kind of anonymous and by yourself, you can, but there's also many opportunities to fellowship with your neighbors and really get to know your neighbors and those around you. There's definitely sufficient opportunities for growth and fulfillment. Like I've mentioned several times, there's many civic groups and many community organizations. Lansdowne is very active in this upcoming election. There's many campaigns going around and people are very vocal about that. And there's also no real animosity amongst differing opinions, which is a positive thing. So you're able to express your opinions and your views and your ideologies respectfully, and also be able to hear differing views and opinions as well. These are my references I've listed here, and I've also listed references for each of the images that I've used. I hope you enjoyed my presentation and learning a little bit more about the wonderful community that is Lansdowne, Pennsylvania. Thank you.